Hi, my name is Françoise, and if you're new to my channel, I want to introduce myself. I am an artist from Montreal and I work with fabrics and 3D printing, and in this video I want to show you the work that I done today. I'm entering an exhibition in a month and I want to upgrade my hat that is on my helmet with a 3D printed landscape of Mars. I'm creating a scene for my hat I want to print a SN15 space shuttle from SpaceX, and I'm printing at least three 3D printed habitat houses that are based on a AI space factory design. They did a multi-planetary dome structure that I'm redrawing, so I had to draw it in 3D and then 3D print it, and I'm gonna print 3 of them. I'm sharing you here my process from sketch to 3D printing. I'm saving lots of time and plastic on not using supports, and I'm very happy with the results. So here I'm looking at the number at which layer that I have to pause my prints, so that I can put some tape. Instead of using supports, I just stick some green tape in the holes, and it just prints right over, and it works really well. The first print is done. I have 2 more to do, and then I'm gonna glue them on my landscape helmet, and I'll make another video to show you what it looks like. Bye!